Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fill colors in your shapes in Canva. Filling colors in shapes is really useful for those who work on projects regularly in Canva, and it can be quite helpful. To add shapes, go to the Elements and type here for options of shapes. Select the shape you want by going to the Shape section. For example, we'll take a square, a circle, and a triangle as well. Now, we'll be adding colors to the shape. To add color, just click on the shape, go to the colors, and that's it. You can add your colors to your shapes. Now, if you want to add a stroke or outline to your shapes, that is available as well. Go to the stroke style and just drag, and you'll see it works the same way. Like this, in the same way, add a stroke to your shapes. If you want to change the color of the strokes, then go to the stroke color, and in this way, you can change your stroke colors as well. That was a simple process for filling colors in your shapes in Canva. If you have any questions about this video or any other Canva videos, please comment below. I'll be answering all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.